No, I'm waiting for the. I'm waiting for the ice cream guy. You know what I mean? You know. Hi, my name's Gene Dugan. Oh shoot. Welcome back to Grumpy's Hell Hall. You know what I mean? We're outside in Grumpy. We're out actually behind my house doing a little video. My wife is in charge of the Pottstown farm, and when you come down to the summer times, you always look for fresh vegetables, and everybody hoards them up at the beginning of the week. But toward the end of the week, it starts getting rotten. There's a simple way to do it, and it's called pickling. Of course, pickled's been around for dog's ages, a real long time. So I'm going to show you a quick, easy way to do some pickling. What I did beforehand, I got some cucumbers. So I'm going to pickle some cucumbers, a little bit of asparagus, and red onions. Red onions, if you pickle red onions, it'll be really good on a taco at the end, or some kind of sandwich or barbecue sauce. So in the meantime, beforehand, I wanted to start it. Yeah, it is hot. I put 2 cups of apple cider vinegar and 2 cups of water. I poured it and bring it to a boil. Now it's going to boil. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of sugar. Okay. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. Then 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. No, not 1 tablespoon, pardon me, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Okay. Oh crap. 1 thing of coriander. And you know what I already did? I would put some fennel seed in, 1 tablespoon of fennel seed in, okay? Previous with the other thing is. And a half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. I like it spicy a little bit. Not spicy, give it a little kick. Okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to let it bring it to a boil. And a lot of people are trying to figure out what the hell this is. Probably a woman's best nightmare or best idea. But what they want to do is it's called a daikon. It tastes almost like a radish. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pickle this. And I'm going to basically measure it up to there. Woo! Happiness is something final. And I'm just going to basically cut it down without cutting my fingers off. And this table sucks. You know. And then I'm going to, never saw one of those roll before. Okay, I'm going to stick them in here. As we're done doing that, as we're boiling, it's going to be real simple, easy. And these will, you don't want to do them immediately, eat out of them immediately. It's going to take 6 to 8 hours immediately to do it. Basically, also, you want to use make sure you use kosher salt. And what reason why is kosher salt doesn't cake, it doesn't get cloudy like iodine, regular table salt, or even sea salt. You want to use something that doesn't cake. Okay, so that should be boiling. Which one should I do first? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, jack. Okay, let's go. Okay, boil it to a boil. Okay, without burning my hands. Oh shit! Excuse me. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour them in here. In the meantime, I put a sprig of. Make sure you get it in the hole. Okay, my mistake. Okay, I had 5 kids. Okay, so. Put it in the pickle here. I already put some fresh garlic. I'll put 4 or 5 things of fresh garlic in there, and 1 good healthy thing, a sprig of dill. So let that go, and I'm going to do these. And I'm not going to put the top on them real quick because of and all. I'm going to just finish this one because you don't have to be a rocket scientist to do this crap, you know. Plus, I didn't make enough. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Have a good day. You know what? Wait till next week. This week we're also, since peaches are in season, we're gonna do a peach salad with goat cheese and curry pecans. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.